You're not saying anything!
Oh. Teen Mealtime coming at you with that meal that'll burn your butthole up. We got all this hot sauce, and to soak it up, we got chicken, bacon, burgers, and buddies. This is Teen Mealtime. So instead of Jack, we got iced tea. And I can't curse, because my mom would get mad at me. This is Teen Mealtime. So we have a high metabolism, so we need all this unhealthy food to fuel our appetite. And to work it all off, we got zombies to kill. You see these acne scars? These are earned, not given.
Lay down for that buffalo chicken dip. Young Glasses with that cheese, cause he's so cheesy. Ooh, ladies love him. Bacon grab. Cutting up that bacon. That's me, the sauce manager. Dropping down that margarine for that sauce. What kind of sauce? Tapatio? Drip, drop, dripping. Chicken. Cheese Glasses with that cream cheese. Laying it down. What you know about these cutting skills right here? Cutting that salmonella. Super quick cutting skills. What you know about that, hater? Dropping that salmon chicken on you.
I'm gonna beat you.
Young Glasses getting that grill ready. Ready for what? Them bacon strips. Bacon strips and bacon strips and bacon strips and bacon strips. Fast motion bacon flip, hater. What you know about that? Get on our level. Meat, Larry. Bacon strips, bacon strips, bacon strips, bacon strips. What you doing at the sauce? That's my job. I'm the sauce manager. Drip dropping that tapatio sauce. Last ingredient, cheese. Dropping that. Wait, how come I'm at the cheese?
Wait, where's Young Glasses?
That's why I'm at the cheese.
You put it in the grill and you win.
What you know about garlic fries, hater?
Garlic bacon. Gotta tenderize the meat.
Dropping down them burgers. See that bacon? Young Glass with the taste test. Yeah, that's hot.
Yeah, we got bacon. Yeah, we got burgers. What you want, hater? What you want? This that buffalo chicken dip, tapatio sauce. Bacon, cheese, bacon, chicken, bacon. What more do you want? Got these here burgers with the bacon in them. And the bacon on top. You ain't even ready for this, plate. You ain't even ready for this. Dogs is hungry.
He don't give a rat's ass what it is he eats.
Even if it's a rat's ass.
Hey, where's my burger?
Next time, we eat Coco.
No, Coco's gonna eat you.